Hello, this virtual Wisconsin Department of Transportation presentation will provide you with information regarding the proposed replacement of two culverts on US 12, Wisconsin 27. The team for this project consists of staff from the Wisconsin Department of Transportation and the consulting firm Jewell Associates Engineers. Nathan Alness is the Wisconsin DOT project manager. Jeff Smith is the project manager for Jewell Associates and will lead the design efforts, and Jim Koenig will serve as the project supervisor for this proposal and will provide oversight throughout the project's duration. This presentation for US 12 Wisconsin 27 project will cover the following topics: project limits and location, the purpose and need for this project, an overview of the proposed design improvements, a summary of progress being made of the development of this project, the proposed project schedule, and contact information if you'd like to reach out to the project staff with questions or concerns. This project is located on US 12, Wisconsin 27, between Merrillan and Black River Falls in Jackson County. Work is proposed at two sites. The southern site is just south of Gilbert Road. The northern site is approximately a quarter-mile south of the Castle Hill Road, Old Highway 12 intersection. The proposed project replaces the existing drainage structures and reconstructs a short portion of the highway at both locations. From inspections performed at the existing box culvert located at the southern project site, deterioration, including moderate to severe cracking and concrete loss, were noted. This box culvert, originally constructed in 1930, has had minimal improvements since and is in need of replacement. From inspections performed at the existing box culvert located at the northern project site, deterioration, including moderate to severe cracking and concrete loss, were noted. This box culvert, also constructed in 1930, has had minimal improvements since and is in need of replacement. The proposed improvements are similar at both project location sites. It is proposed to remove the old box culvert structures and replace them with concrete culvert pipes. The structure at the northern project site will be replaced with a single 72-inch concrete pipe. Due to the increased runoff and water flow, the southern project site requires the installation of two 72-inch pipes. At both locations, a short portion of the roadway will need to be reconstructed after the pipe installations. At these locations, the guardrail will then be replaced with new systems that meet current crash standards. During construction, this segment of US 12, Wisconsin 27 is proposed to be closed. A detour route using I-94 and Wisconsin 95 will be designated, although other local routes will be available. Access to properties within the project limits will be maintained. In 2020, the project was first surveyed and preliminary plans were developed. Currently, the design team is working to complete the environmental document and begin coordinating with utility companies regarding any anticipated conflicts. Looking ahead, design and coordination will continue into the coming years. At this time, construction is scheduled for the spring of 2026. However, if funding becomes available, this project could be constructed as early as 2024. The Wisconsin Department of Transportation and Jewell Associates Engineers thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please contact Jeff Smith at Jewell Associates Engineers. Here is contact information for him, as well as Wisconsin Department of Transportation project staff and their offices, along with the link to the project design website. Thank you for your interest in this project.